Okay, quick video. I want to give you a quick review on my new Vanderkitten kit. I've got lots of cats here, excited about the kit, and I just wanted to tell you that when I first put it on, I thought, oh my goodness, it's dark and it's such a warm day. You can see how red my cheeks are. It's about 90 degrees out, and I thought, oh gosh, I'm gonna be, ooh, watch out for the bike. I've got 3 cats here. I thought I'm gonna be so warm in this color, but actually the color was not bad at all. There's the new fabric is so light and so comfortable. I'm really pleased with it. The fit's great. The fit's great. Yes, kitties. The fit's great. Everybody loves it. All the ooh, watch out. And the colors are wonderful, and I know that I probably can't show you from here, but there's a really good reflective stripe on the back so cars behind me can see me really, really well. And the pockets are nice and deep, and the band at the bottom is nice and sticky so that it stays down, and the legs have the nice sticky, not like dots in there that leave lines on you, but actual thick strips around your thigh so that they stay on really well. And oh my gosh, I wish you could see, of course, what's going on here. Everybody wants to know what's happening. There's my steady ride of, I think, 3 years now. Very happy with this bike. Couple upgrades. I've got a fairly new Garmin right here, and I've got some new, very lovely, look at those water bottles. Woo, woo, woo. And of course, look at that. Woo. So just wanted to give a quick review. The colors on this are great. I absolutely love the purple and teal combination. It makes it really easy to coordinate socks and everything like that. Because of course, you know, part of biking is all about looking good while you're doing it. So that's my review. Wonderful kit. Everybody approves. Kitty, you approve? All the kitties approve. So there it is, Vanderkitten. I'll leave some links below. I don't think you can get this kit in purple because that's special for the VIP ambassadors. However, you can get it in this really luscious pink that is just really pretty, and I think I'm going to have to order that too. So that's me, Deepwater Happy, signing off. Please like, share, subscribe, and watch for more. Thanks. Bye.